What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So, some of you know that I purchased the Fujifilm X-T3 about a month ago, and when I purchased it at the camera store, they did not have any lenses that I actually liked in stock, and I wanted to shoot it immediately. So when I left, I ordered this cheap PureGear 35mm f1.6 lens off Amazon, and just to shoot around that weekend. And so I visited Toronto downtown, and I decided to do a whole day of street shooting with it. And surprisingly, it did actually very well. So this is what this video is about. It's a behind the scenes look at my shoot with this PureGear 35mm 1.6 lens. Now, all the photos are shot at f2. So right off the bat, you're not going to see the settings, but everything was shot at f2. And I can't show you the lens right now because I'm actually using it to shoot this video. So anyways, enjoy this street shoot. I try to get as much as behind the scenes for you. Enjoy the photos, and at the end, I'll tell you my conclusions about this lens. So yeah, those are the pictures. And I don't know about you, but I think that turned out pretty good. Very surprising. I did plan to return this lens and get a real lens whenever I could find something that I liked. But it turns out that I'm actually going to keep the lens because if you shoot it at f2 or above, it's pretty sharp. At 1.6, it's very soft and it lacks a lot of contrast. But when you stop it down to f2 and above, it does pretty well. So I'm going to keep it for mainly video. That's what I'm shooting on right now, and all my videos are going to be shot for the most part on this X-T3 and with this PureGear 35mm 1.6 lens. So yeah, for less than $100, you can't go wrong with this lens. So yeah, if you want something that's manual focus and you want to save a little bit of money, you can pick something up like this and it'll work well for you. So the only downsides of this lens are you do not want to shoot it at 1.6 because it's very soft. It lacks contrast at 1.6, as well as when focusing, sometimes I got my finger in the shot, so be careful. Make sure once you're focused, you move your fingers away so that you don't get it inside the shot. But other than that, it's a pretty good lens. Like I said, stop it down to f2 and it's tack sharp and you can get some pretty good results, and I think this video is a testament to that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe below to get more Fujifilm, Canon, and Sony videos, because those are the cameras that I own. And I think my next video is going to be a what's in my bag video. I'm going to show you all my gear because it has changed dramatically over the last year. So yeah, look forward to that. Anyways, subscribe below, hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Take care.